Well, here's a simple Python code, and can you find the correct output of this code? You can pause the video to think for a moment. So here, as you can see, we have a tuple here and we are using a for loop, but the problem is we are running it in negative index. So the correct output of this code is from sun to free and then sun and month. Well, if you didn't understand this, let me explain. So this was the code, and now let's write the negative index first. So negative index will start from here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. And positive index will be starting from here dot to 5. Now this loop, when we run, we can rewrite this right like this. That means it's gonna run from -6 to 1. So first from -6 to -1, it printed like this. So this was the output as we saw, and then from 0 and 1, Sunday and Monday was printed, which gave the desired output.